What's going on, everybody? This is Mr. Set in 007 working on Odyssey 3.5. And I'm going to be taking out the thermostat. I got to change out the thermostat. I'm getting a code that refers to the monitoring of the temperature. It's not registering, it's staying under cold the whole time, so the thermostat more than likely is stuck open. I know that there was an NTSB about that, but with this one in particular, I drove it to Maryland. We got caught in a little traffic leaving New York, of course, and it was overheating, but I was able to make it to Maryland once we finally got some good traffic. So it was okay as long as I didn't run into too much traffic, or the uphills going down to Maryland. It started to rise a little bit, but it wasn't as bad. So when I finally got it to Maryland, I was able to let it cool overnight, and found out there was a lot of air inside the system. So I had to add some more antifreeze, and then from then on the way back to New York, it stayed basically at sea, cold the whole time. So that let me know that the thermostat was no good. It got stuck at open, which is a fail-safe to keep the vehicle from overheating. So I am changing the thermostat and the gasket. So this is just me. I had to remove the battery to give me room, as you can see here, kind of blocking it, but to give me room to work on the thermostat. Once you take out the battery here in the Odyssey, you have room where you can work on a thermostat. It's I believe a 10mm nut. So I'm just using my ratchet to get out the 10mm bolt, top and bottom. So the top one is coming out. I think I had some Loctite in there, and I'm working on the bottom. The bottom is there. I have my bucket receptacle at the bottom, so when the antifreeze comes pouring out, it's going to go inside the receptacle. These cars, you really got to work on staying in tune with the overheating, especially with the transmission. I'm sorry, the video is moving all over the place because of the way I have it set up. Hopefully you can see. Hopefully that helps. It was caught on some wires. Let me see. There we go. It's caught on some wires. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm working on the bottom bolt now. Get that out. Right here, this is just a two bolts, top and bottom, to hold in the thermostat. I didn't bother taking off this piece, so I'm just gonna work that out. Let me see if I can hand loosen it the rest of the way, because I don't want to take out the bottom bolt, because the bottom bolt has some grounding wires on it, so I don't want to take it out all the way, so to speak. So to make it loose, There we go. Oh, show up. I guess it wanted to come out anyway. So let me get the magnet. So I can pick that bolt up. There we go. Alright, the bottom bolt is short. It's a short bolt. Let me see if I can see what I'm looking at. It's light. Okay, you can see that bolt piece on the bottom. Alright, so let's free this. Free that here and see if we can get some antifreeze out. Okay, this is just gonna loosen this up some. Alright. Let's see, I wanna make sure I'm not missing a bolt before I start wrenching on this. I wonder if I'm missing a bolt. Let's see. So basically this is straightforward. Once you get here, you remove this and then you'll be able to just pop out the should be able to pop out. Let's see what we have here. That's a ground. Yeah, there it is. Oh, there's another bolt. Okay, that was just the ground on the outside. Oh, thought I was done. There's actually the bolt on the outside. That was just the ground, which probably didn't have to take out. Alright, so there's a bolt on the other side here. Let's see if I can get to it. Alright, so there's a bolt on the other side. So I'm going to get to that bolt and we'll be back.